Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Neil Explains. Today I come with this question, and the question is 25 minus 5 into bracket 2 plus 3 bracket 2. So we will solve this with m dash rule. In this rule, first we have to solve the parenthesis part, and according to here the mathematical expression, we will do second the multiplication and then subtraction part. So our first step will be to solve this parenthesis. So here we write 25 minus 5 into, then in the bracket or parenthesis 2 plus 3, which equals to 5. Again in the next step 25 minus 5 times 5, that is equal to 25, and 25 minus 25, that will be 0, and here 0 is the right answer. And if you want more maths, then go and check out our description and comment your answer if you found it very simple. And keep watching, keep growing. Thanks for watching.